We haven't.
Let me explain it this way.
Very good.
I'll start with Niomabia narrative about outer enyanokre. And the narrative are enyanokre. And then the real danger, which is before us, I was here shani swano. Oman edikai, the enyanokre no. Enyanokre se outages na yehu from. And let me say started apart from January ever. Enyanokre se outages na yehu.
I was a former moon and Makwaba at Bagan and Sam TV show. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch Th3y or comment section for them. Say the moon down if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President and major also. Or text me Mr. President or comment section or major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I Mr. President and major also sir. Kwede o baby agenda MPP. So the moon in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use John and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma president. Now also the upper by India so Selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebuidi. Ya many am for the Messiah Dr. Ladma Mumba the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say Amanya 7 a.m. I daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprinti ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space. Do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
We haven't.
Let me explain it this way.
Very good.
I'll start with Niomabia narrative about outer enyanokre. And the narrative are enyanokre. And then the real danger, which is before us, I was here shani swano. Oman edikai, the enyanokre no. Enyanokre se outages na yehu from. And let me say started apart from January ever. Enyanokre se outages na yehu from January no. All the outages near because of transformers are ye replace. It is not true.
Enyanokre.
Yes. It is not also true, sir. Outages are starting from January, no. Ninjinaye because of Akosombo control station.
Enyanokre
say Ninjina all the outages. But the outages started somewhere in January. In fact, Kumasi Mpodie a year-long problem.
Kumasi
from last
year,
year.
this weekend. What's that? The last time no call weekend, you know.
Absolutely.
Masa 20 times what happened in Kumasi. That's last year and this year. 20 times what happened there.
In Kumasi, the end of the year, a year-long problem. But the rest of the country started somewhere in January.
Postings, you know, I won't say, say you can't cut to her, then you say prophecy, but because I said, yeah, omuye ade ne kan ho asem no, and from the way I na yankofo bi ne yedi nkomo no, ne enim de ebekọ. The time a pharmacy for any started so musu, allied health for any kemu no, I knew say nurses it wouldn't be different. Because obi wo ha what to am say, na mpese me post back obi wa say o ja we gumani mase. MP, a whole member of parliament, a ton slot man, 20,000 Ghana cedis. Monipa fa obi away 16 verses 17. Ntu ya anteba, we are brewaba, sikani bini ho, we te send me anka wunya beam fem tuya. Demonstration baso. Esa odu hujim, the BI canes for no. Moye over a here in 2020 referral and 2021 for no more doors pa. It is a wo so fi say unya bi postings no be because I know me who be enroll nurses or say enroll nurses yenka ho na obe ho midwives midwives yenka ho general nurses so yenka ho because and there de na buy and then no em say public health for nko a ntu nya public health nurse a unhu bi posting no bi on be no bi atena so fiti lady ba kwa me ne kasai watena so fiti an adjuna refreshes a musu mbe bia ade ne portal ne be 10 am wa create account dada ubi mo yesisa create another account. If you call log in once, I say what you've attempted many times. Now I lock you out. Ube say remuno yes no slot. Ye nim that some of the amount for. And you know, 2020 referral about 2021. Now we nim obia uni capra di betua demonstration we esa odo hu jim. Enti flyer in here. Almost grounds work police no map date. I'm told say hopefully Friday ye di anemia. Enti no video here share my 2020 referral batch and the 2021 referral batch main batch ni say postings na ekoso no yade kan scam ono bo account on ni om de ama or de man in Crawford dada and oba be dada Ghana for abeye kobie because at the end how come say ube bie at the end of 10 a.m. utumi remu 10 2 and 10 3 yes no slot Crawford for the da into no always a cockroach the John kind of posting into who a share mo bia hu bi me say mo penny for the date ni beba but we are just a flyer almost say mamu hu say BBC baso hopefully no date ni beba bia watchina but I'm told say by Friday so munya police clearance ni ade say betumi aya enti no be on Ghana mekano ehia wa abraho bi social na papa nurse can be ye can one ba ho because benefit no pen no motiase picketing ni demonstration ni no language o motiase no enti fa ho jimbi because at the end of the day no me posting ebo am emfa me ho how we here on so oba ho tie de be ka ho asem or it's up to you to show up what's in common say it's mon share because posting no yes
so be aka say we should go and sell indomie ono ne ba to indomie ye na ka se be to indomie Ghana how when they be go school when they be nurse when they be midwife ni so annoying and frustrating. We should turn to armed robbers or we should turn to prostitutes. What exactly is the problem? The government must do better. Yeah, bring a need free. Our parents will suffer, thinking that at the end our kids will come and take care of us, and we are still home, still begging our parents for food. Why? I don't need a caricature. I want me them. What is it? What is it? Minister can't do something or do something. They don't go and sit on stations and be telling us that me pass mo omo be post mo no just can best no be post mo. Oba otifie. It's your child at home. It's how you go around talking as if you don't have empathy for nurses. Abba aden. It's not fiato. You want us come and go in the media and be crying, be looking for pity. Oh, when we're paying the school fees and we're paying the money to the ministries, you didn't do it this way. By doing some of them, will you fulfill your part of the promise? No, but than if you once. Yanko kana munkasi ye muadie. What are move you once? Recruitment move you once. Aden. Since when did posting become like this? Is this how our seniors were posted? Catch us a yan ye post here. Ye sanko interview. Aden I'm from Mamon Crawford. Ye can catch us any evidence. And people are selling slots all around. And mano kana ye mobo. Mamenka. Oh.
Na botra kraba. Enya bobo ya e pragia. Ni enya ho president or inspector sadia we. Na minta kando de animu. E de asemo a ye de pragia tricycle aba ye de kosa ya de awukurase. Knowing very well say nkurase kwan bebre nya.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Ye wo ba bia sa bobo ya no entimi nko. Ana nipa no ya de no hia comfort. Because ambulance kofa obi a what the oxygen esilipa no so. Sane be nipa no betime nya home. Ni atimi rush ne de adu the nearest hospital. Abobo ya no oxygen wo. Sa tricycle no oxygen wo. Tricycle no wo bi oyade no obetimi adam ama ne ho ato no. Sa Ghana yem painfo yade a ye do omu sie du prem kwa buruchire no tricycle ne betimi sa pepepe.
Hey, President Mahama.
Yeah, because NDC appointees, ministers, CSOs, omo yade a chief executive officers, omo yade a sabi yam for munsi sa pragianum. I don't want to believe some entire candle. Neba yade a sa pragiano and abobo yano na den be call hospital. Flight pam not den kwa bruchire. Enti ya e wo from ho ye won kronkuma mu ne de sabi kwa apia ne aboa ye moa. Enti mo mfa pragia me dada he say ye dia de papa bi aba e dia de a free primary health care. Ye ni so di hu. Na ye dia me back kwa bena 8 years akraba ba nya sa ni so di hu ni bi o. Wei. Say na mamu no tie de a ene ye Ghana to no me back kwa bena 8 years ye mfa ma no obeye bibia kama won fa pragia ma. Bahama. What the yaka? Akraba adia ba ko ma san dia ba ni say 24-hour match.
sikan kun dada eno an say masoma udifo na mama mu sika no matumi ka ba akoko mini ba bi ote e Virginia broche kura bi ase ben Washington DC Washington State ni mama ma ko ni sikan kun simple no bi jubilate you am NDC fo nkwasi afo mbesu no masu obey disease osuro mini ntimi hu se me mo bi akoko no
what is the basis mujina so and they increasing light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so ni wansa ni amani ngina ba form it is just so no busa this question well musame out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say
legitimate question to
ask out of ignorance.
Me pacho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say ignorance me say man kasa me tell on my dia me can say me say my men na some na papa na some na can that's what most people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your way.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, asamuna okano, interest enyama bo enkosru.
But the
okano want it or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, oh my, me tell you, and I told Amanda Maker here. Say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number, and now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch you say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh unti the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano create another environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Aban Katimin Petro, and so
is right. Obisa,
so at the end of
what I
say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Argentina, Sanyama way in every Abina and Davy, Nasa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflation rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted. But none from the MPP. None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?